Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview what's new page for featured updates. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the what's new page. So you can access the what's new page by clicking on the what's new button on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to view new features, releases, and updates. So you can view new feature releases and updates on the what's new page. Step 3 is going to be to learn about new features and tools. So if you want to learn about new features and tools, you can check that out on the what's new page as well. Step 4, to provide feedback on new features. So you can just go on the what's new page and provide feedback on new features. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview what's new page for features updates. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in